All right, test the quarter panel. Damage caused by a delivery vehicle. Got the first tab glued on right across the body line. There's a couple deeper creases down in here, but we'll be able to fix this vehicle up. Got a little bit of tension on there, and you can see already it's smaller. A lot of crowning back here, so we're gonna tap that down while we're pulling on the metal here. Okay, here's the after repair right here on the Tesla quarter panel that UPS driver hit. Got the body line reshaped, got everything back to normal.